Hey y'all,
I'm Ryan,
and I'm Dominique.
and this is Coffee and Cryptos.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We created this channel to share our knowledge of both coffee and cryptocurrency with the world. They are subjects that we are both very passionate about. We've been planning this channel for a while and are excited to share what we have for you all.
So, we have a couple of goals in mind of what we hope to achieve with this channel. The overarching theme applies to many different types of people, whether you're somebody who's already financially savvy or somebody who simply seeks to understand more about cryptocurrency. We're here to educate and entertain. Coffee is an excellent complement to the finance niche. Why? Because it speaks to all of us who get up early with the mentality of working hard to make a better life for ourselves. Ironically, none of the coffee and crypto channels that we found on YouTube actually ever talks about coffee. So as a couples channel, we feel primed to fill that void.
As I said earlier, my name's Dominique, but I go by Dom. I'm 25 years old and a soon-to-be doctor of physical therapy. My bachelor's degree was in rehab science and my master's in kinesiology. Currently, I'm finishing up my doctorate program and will graduate this December. During my years in school, I developed a love for coffee as it keeps me going and it's my favorite way to start the day. My favorite method of brewing coffee is through my Chemex because it makes such a fresh and smooth cup. I also have an espresso, I have a French press, a standard coffee pot, and a cold brew maker. During my videos, I will share how to use my machines, my favorite recipes, as well as the crypto word of the day. Ryan's videos will go more into detail about cryptocurrency and crypto news in general.
I'm also 25 years old. I have a Bachelor of Business Administration in Cybersecurity, and I'm currently working on my Master's of Business Administration in Human Resource Management. Now, I've been invested in cryptocurrencies for about a year and 7 months, so not terribly long, but it's been a very fulfilling and enlightening journey to say the least. Don't get me wrong, there have been plenty of hard times for sure, but I'm still firmly of the opinion that crypto is the future of finance. I am what many consider to be a long term investor, which means I buy and hold these cryptocurrencies with the intention of holding them for years, even decades. Now, in my videos, I'll be going over my personal holdings, my strategies, as well as the inner workings and intricacies of some of these cryptocurrencies, as well as delivering the latest news. I look forward to sharing it with you all.
That's all we have for today, but don't forget to tune into our next video coming next week. Follow us on Instagram and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.